Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Calusa floor plan, also known as the Maria. And it's part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Calusa and or Maria is a 3-bedroom plus den home. You're going to get over 2,200 square foot, the 2-car garage, as well as 3 baths. So let's run inside and take a look. So as we come inside the Calusa, to the left is where you're going to have the first guest bedroom. And then just off the guest bedroom is the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. Now, just behind me, you do have a sliding pocket door here, so you could shut this door here and make this room an ensuite with the guest bath. And then that leads us to what is technically a bedroom. It is guest bedroom number 2, but it can be used as an office. As you see here, you do have the pocketing doors, but there's also a closet, so one could turn this into a bedroom as well. Now, coming across, we're going to find guest bedroom number 3. Now, this bedroom does have an ensuite bath built into it with the singular sink, the commode, and now you have a shower as opposed to the tub and shower combo. Right off of guest bedroom number 3 is the entry to your garage, and you have your laundry space with the utility sink and additional storage above. Now, this leads us into the great room area of the Calusa floor plan. So you have a nice open kitchen setup, and this is going to overlook your dining area and your great room. You've got a beautiful walk-in style closet with the Calusa, the wall oven, the microwave. And then again, you have all of this overlooking your dining and great room area. Now, last but not least, on the interior of the home is your owner's suite. So tucked away towards the back of the home, plenty of space. That's a king-size bed for perspective. So really nice size owner's suite. You have his and hers type closets. One of them is like a coat closet, that's this one. And the other one here is more your walk-in style. And then we have the owner's bath with the dual sinks. You do have the seated vanity area right here. You have your water closet, linen closet, and then ultimately this really large glass enclosed shower. Now, last but not least on the Calusa is the exterior living space. So notice you do have sliders from your owner's suite going outside. But you have a very nice lanai under truss here. So you have all this space for dining, relaxing, and entertaining. And then this model, they feature one of the pools that you can have as well, and the spacing that you would have on your exterior lanai with a Calusa that has a pool attached to it. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this floor plan, we can find it at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.